guys? Bud here with Dependable Lawn Care, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Husqvarna 570 BTS backpack blower. I purchased this at Lowe's for the list price is $499.95 before tax. I actually got a discount on it, 10% discount, because the box was already open and the box was kind of boogered up. But there was nothing wrong with the actual machine. We opened it up, checked everything out, everything's fine, but they gave me a discount because of the packaging. So hey, you know, I'll take a discount. Anyway, I'm gonna move the camera in right over the top of the box, and we'll open this thing up and check it out. So here is, I believe this is the first section of the tube. And then of course this is the tip of the tube. And then this will be the middle section. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick those together while I'm pulling them out. Okay, so got that locked together. The three sections of the tube, I went ahead and assembled those from the tip to that, so I'm going to set that aside. Okay, so here we have our bag with the hose clamps, the scrunch, user manual, and product warranty information. There's the elbow, the flexible part of the tube that attaches to the blower itself. And then finally the blower. Alright, so that's everything in the box. I'm going to reset the camera and we'll put this together. Again, this is the Husqvarna 570 BTS. From what I can tell, compared to my 580, it's very similar. It really doesn't look any different that I can, like I said, that I can tell right off the bat. It's not a lot of difference in appearance. Of course, there is obviously a difference in the specs. Slightly smaller engine, slightly smaller CFM. It does have a faster mile-per-hour speed, but a lower CFM. So I'm kind of interested to see how it's going to compare to the 580. But let's go ahead and get it assembled. Okay, so I have the clamps and the little wire hook for the cable on the elbow, so let's go ahead and put that on. We'll take the handle, the cable, and I'm going to go ahead and put that inside the hook like so. And then we already assembled the sections of the tube, so let's put that on.
Okay, so all we need to do is adjust the position of the handle once the unit is actually on, and then make sure that that's in the proper location. So now everything is assembled.
Okay guys, so I put this on so that I could adjust the handle, and actually the handle is just about perfect right where it's at, so I don't need to adjust that. But one thing that I did notice that's different, you have the chest strap right here that buckles and unbuckles, which I like because that helps keep the unit from sliding off your shoulders, and you can adjust that in and out where it's comfortable. And you have the straps right here that adjust where the unit sits on your back. But one thing that they've eliminated that I thought was unique is the waist strap, which, I mean, honestly guys, who uses those? On my 580, we never buckle the waist strap. We might buckle the chest strap, but we never put on the waist strap because you usually don't have it on long enough to mess with it, and even if you do have it on for a long period of time, you don't use it. So there is no waist belt or waist strap any longer. So that's the setup of the unit. So I just thought I would show you guys that. I thought that was kind of neat. Something different compared to the 580.